Hello everyone, Pompey Picker back again. Just wanted to do a quick review on the Master combination padlock. Solid cast aluminium body, 4 combination wheels and a hardened shackle, or so it says. The combination is already set at all the zeros, so there it is open. Just want to point out that there's not a great deal for the shackle to lock into, so about 3 or 4 millimeters, which tells me it could probably quite easily be pried open with a crowbar of some sort. But yeah, just want to show you really how easy these are to get into. So again, there it is open on all the zeros. If you rotate it to 90 degrees and press down, I'll just cover it over. You can then change the combination. Give it a mix up to make sure that all the wheels are lined back up, otherwise you can't pull the shackle back up. So pull the shackle back up, press it down, and mix all the numbers back up. So let's go back to all the zeros again. There it is, locked up. So we've changed the combination. Now the way to find the new combination is to pull quite hard on the shackle, and while maintaining pressure, turn the wheel, and you'll find it, once it finds the gate, you'll get a little bit of give in the shackle. So I just felt a little bit of movement there. We'll call that 3. So we'll try the next wheel. It's quite hard to turn, but once you find the gate, you'll feel it drop in, and just a slight bit of movement on the shackle again. Oh, and there we go. So we'll call that a 6. And go to the next wheel. It's quite stiff to turn. Oh, a little bit of movement there, so we'll call that 7, which means once we find the gate on the last one, it should just pop open. And there we go. As easy as that. Well, thanks again guys. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.